Why is Ndivhu trying to sell a channel? Is she broke? Trying to get few bucks? Well, watch this video out. Welcome guys, this is Detective Samuel. I do this on a daily basis. Subscribe to the channel if you like what I'm doing there. If you don't like it, don't subscribe. Please don't, because you're gonna feel pain. So guys, Ndivhu is selling the channel. She made a video titled let me see, Ndivhu leaves the tea well. A lot of people were saying she is selling the channel. I believe that she's not selling the channel. What she's doing, it's what I'm gonna do on my other channel. There's a channel that is mine and people don't know about it, and it has like fewer thousand subscribers and stuff. So what she's doing is that she is making a business out of TWL. Like she is hiring, she's taking it as a company, the whole TWL, turning it into company and hiring people who will manage the TWL so that she can do the other things at the back. She's not like selling it completely. So she's still going to benefit from the revenue that is coming from the tea world. And maybe she's going to get a cut. Like people who are going to be running, the CEO of the tea world is going to send her the revenue, the cut of the revenue of the month, Maybe, or she's going to get the full money and send the money to people who now runs T-World, and it's going to be a good thing. Like I feel like this is a right step because she has like a lot of channels and she mastered the whole thing of YouTube and stuff by her titles. You can see that's why I did my titles right there, and I know she's watching this video and I know she knows why I did the title Mutlig Veito. So yeah guys, it's good to improve in this YouTube channel. Just like me right now, you see I have like 370 subscribers right now. Before December I will be running through the 20,000. Right now you need to learn within your niche and stuff. There are some things which I'm still trying to figure them out and try to see the patterns, how people watch the video, why they watch the video, the whole demographic about it, and it takes time, but I'm here. Once if I buy a camera, a real proper camera, you will see this channel taking off. Now I'm just waiting to get monetized. I'm just waiting for money into my bank. That's what I'm waiting for me to take this channel serious. Like I'm waiting for money into my bank account, because that's when I will know. Right now I'm a little bit not too sure this thing will work out or what, but if I can, I am able to get past the step of monetization and the money leaks into my bank account, that will be my confirmation. From there I'll take my whole savings and rent a studio, buy cameras, install the patterns, all patterns that I'm still writing. I have like a book, this book right here. It's YouTube, and it has a lot of strategies that I use, a lot of things that I'm writing down. Some of them I can't do them because I don't have the necessary equipment. For now I have to do here, talk about the whole thing and stuff. So that's the whole thing. So I'm just waiting for YouTube. Please, it's a speedy man. I really want first money to drop in my account, then I will know. Yeah, right now it's time to work. It's time to increase the numbers and stuff. So that is Ndivhu for you. She is making a company out of T-World, and she's not like necessarily leaving T-World. And she mentioned that she's not going to be available, and her voice is not going to be on T-World. She's going to do some other things as a business woman. And I got motivated by Ndivhu right there. I know I always talk about her in a in a left way, but I got motivated about YouTubers building something out of YouTube, because I feel like you must not focus more in YouTube, because YouTube, you never knows what is going to happen in future. We really need to improve ourselves. Even myself, I'm working on a project right now outside YouTube that is going to be founded by YouTube. So I think I will be able to tell you about my project in November 26. In November 26, I will be able to tell you about the project that I'm working on. It's a huge project, and it's going to help a lot of people. And YouTube is going to help me to fund the project. So to build a real, genuine business, so that when hackers or people, or maybe YouTube decided, or in my past I said things which are no longer standards of YouTube, they wanna terminate my channel so that I can have something to fall back into, because I see a lot of people doing YouTube and building all this YouTube in that country, Marashi the Russian in the I don't want to mention it, the Russian in the, and who is ala dintwa tseno I wanna who is ala ntwa tse tsalanda, and YouTube da ba ko itse ntho tse nthongolongwe da Russian in da wa bona. So if you understand me, I don't want to talk about it because YouTube is going to demonetize it. But YouTubers from that side, everything shut it down. They were crying, completely crying, because they had no source of income. So what I learned from Ndivhu team is that, and from other people like Mr. Beast, yes, let YouTube be your money making source, and take that money and create other sustainable businesses, buy properties, buy things which is out there. Don't just depend on the internet money, because you never know what will happen, right? Okay guys, so I'm just gonna leave it right here. I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, leave the like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on my next video.